Hello and welcome to Beamer Folk. Okay, this is a short video for the repair cleaning of push buttons for the Samsung LE26 A457 C1 DXXU. If you see my other video, you'll know that the fault of this was these push buttons, which are part of the switch assembly that controls the television. Now what I do is chance my arm, because this is fiddly and tricky and I'm working around the tripod. So there we go. Got my right glasses on? Yes. So let's have a go at this. Now what I need to do is take this. So I've just levered up that little metal face here, and I'm lifting that off, and you'll see things underneath here. That's the metal piece, and there's a little, that's the push button itself. These are all fiddly little bits. And then there's the dome. Inside here you see that there are 3 contacts and they need cleaning, and there is this little metal dome which can so easily get lost. Okay, so first things first, cleaning solution. That's it. There we are. Other switch cleaners are available. And I've got a cotton bud here. Sort of put it to the nozzle here and push the button. And there we go. And that's that. Now what I've got is let me do the contacts in here first. And that's all there is to it. What I did was to sort of just abrade the surfaces a little bit and then go back with the cotton bud and do that. Okay, let's put that to one side. I'll bring in a bit of emery cloth here because it holds this little delicate device there, and I won't use, you can see there's a little bit of blackness on the end of that, and that indicates there was a bit of dirt in there. So I'll go to the other side of the Q-tip, cotton bud. I'm sure many other brands are available, and do a little bit more there. Now with the tweezers, pressing it against the emery cloth, just work that. I don't know whether you can see that, but I'm just working it into the face of that. You can actually see, I don't know whether you can see this, but you can actually see the discoloration, the oxidization that's gone on this little disc, and I am trying to make sure that it doesn't ping off. I've rotated it very slightly so I can get at the area under the tweezers. And that emery cloth, its abrasiveness is holding the thing into position. Okay, so far so good. Now can I lift this, move that over? I've already done 1, 2, 3 of these, and I've got another 4 to do. I won't bore you to death by showing you how to do the other 4, but I'll go ahead off camera and do the other 4. But meanwhile, let's get this back together again. Okay, yeah, push that to one side. put that there. You're just waiting for me to lose this, and it is just so easy to lose. Pop that into position there. That's okay, that's good. Fiddle around with it a bit to get it into position, and then you've got the little plastic dome thing here. Pop that into position, and then we've got the metal piece here, kind of holding that. Well, that seems to be working. Now then, I need to test the continuity of this. So, right, I've got on the bench now my continuity buzzer meter to check this switch that we've just repaired, and I've got a couple of PP3 batteries acting as weights to keep the board from falling off the bench. Now then, I've also marked the switch that we've just repaired to make sure I'm not operating the wrong one, and let's just see that we've got continuity. We should have continuity there, which we have, and let's just make sure that, right, I've got a connection now on there, and all I've got to do is push the little button and see whether it works. There we are, nicely working. Pleased with that, and there we are. I hope this helps you with this Samsung Flatty TV. This is Beamer signing out for now.